Hi, it's Matt, back home now. Just a quick update on ALPP, Alpine Ford Technologies. Currently holding it now for week 22. If you're new to the channel, I've been trying to turn $1,000 into 1 million through a series of trades compounding at 10%, which on paper should take 73 trades. I'm currently on trade number 5. The first 4 were good, but this was during the bull run of like last year, early this year, and in February, it was like everything's just gone real bad. So yeah, trade number 5 is the ALPP. I've been holding it now for 22 weeks. So just kind of like an update on the stock and what I'm doing with it anyway. I think I've come to the decision now, like I'm gonna hold it for 52 weeks, so it's a year. Otherwise I'm gonna just start running out of stuff to talk about and barely got anything to say about it anyway. So yeah, 52 weeks I think I hold it for, and then I'll reconsider what to do, to see where the stock is and stuff. Yeah, and it's not really else much to say. Like I found a bit of information on the internet yesterday. Someone's released the floor plans for a UAV exhibition in Las Vegas. So it's just, yeah, it's for like this year as well. So there's going to be real life people there. It's not like some digital event. And so one of ALPP's subsidiaries, VEU, they've got a booth there. It seems like quite a big booth. Looking at the floor plan, it's like, I think there's only one booth bigger, but the rest of them are either their size or smaller, or some of them are their size and sharing it with a few other people. So which is interesting. VEU is right next to MikaSense, and MikaSense's booth, I'll leave a link in the description, by the way. But yeah, MikaSense's booth is sharing it with like Geagle, which is another stock I was trading last year, and it ran up loads. I think it went up to like $16 at one point, which is interesting because I kind of considered ALPP similar to them, and ALPP didn't really get as high as that. And you think like with ALPP they cover a load of other things as well, but I don't know if it's because Geagle got like it's not an OTC stock as well. Actually, it's penny stock, but it's not an OTC stock. So you can see like the pre-market for it and stuff, and maybe there's more coverage there, so it's run up more. So it shows you like if ALPP had that, would like on a Nasdaq, maybe it'd run up more as well, and maybe more people would be investing in it. But who's to say? But yeah, I thought it was quite interesting, right next to each other, and two of the bigger like stocks I was looking at, considering like drone technology. I don't think there's anything else that interesting looking from the floor plans, but yeah, there's a lot of competitors anyway. It's quite interesting. So I hope from this event like they'll get some more like contracts and stuff, and just get the name out there a bit more, and hopefully pick up on these things. So yeah, apart from that, nothing else really to mention. Stock's currently sitting at under $3 now, which is quite disappointing, but it seems like a heavy support around the $2.50-$60 mark, but it's at $2.72. Yeah, it just needs a volume, I think. Like if you're looking at the numbers and stuff, like it was earlier this year, like February time is when I kind of bought it. It was so much more volume, and the massive crash happened, and some of these stocks just never recovered, like these OTC ones especially. All-time highs, and then they've just like dropped, like some of them well below. Like I'd probably some other names people might be familiar with if you follow these penny stocks, but like Nano Dimensions was one of them, Biotechnic. Luckily I don't really mess around with them so much. I think one of my trades earlier on for the 10% was with Nano Dimensions, but yeah, that's sitting well under $10 now. But I guess these things are all future looking, and people are quite bearish at the moment, or it seems like it's rotating into like the, what do you call it, like FANG we call it, don't we? So we'll see, it might have their time again. But yeah, all we're really waiting on for ALPP is the Nasdaq listing, and just seeing how it like moves that with this like thing, if it ever gets onto the Nasdaq. It's taking unusually long. But yeah, that's everything I've got to say, and I'll update next week. Take care, bye.